Welcome to day 2 of the Ultimate Probiotic Smoothie program. Did you know there are more life forms living on your hands than people in the world? And there are trillions more life forms inside your guts. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the vital role these life forms play in our digestion, immunity, and all-round health. I'm also going to expose how they are being wiped out by our modern lifestyles, and how you can replenish their numbers with one change to your diet. So what are these trillions of tiny microscopic life forms living inside our guts? They are bacteria. But not the lethal bacteria you may be thinking of, that spread ill health and disease. Because the bacteria living inside our guts actually perform lots of vital roles in digestion and gut health. This includes helping to turn food into nutrients, to create hormones for running all sorts of biological processes, and managing our immune response to threats. Collectively, these bacteria are called the microbiome. The microbiome is a mass of microbes that can weigh up to 2 kilograms. It contains up to 40 trillion bacteria cells, and so far scientists have identified 1,000 different species. So you could say the microbiome is like a rainforest. It's teeming with life. And just like a rainforest, these trillions of bacteria are competing for food, living space, and survival. And also like a rainforest, many species are dying out. In fact, the number of bacteria living in your gut have likely been dying out since the day you were born. And they are dying out much faster than previous generations. Why is this? For 2 key reasons. Firstly, due to eating too small a variety of foods. Did you know there are 250,000 known edible plant species in the world? Yet humans eat less than 200. And due to our highly processed diets, 3 in 4 people now eat food from just 12 types of plants and 5 animals. That's simply not enough variety to keep the rainforest inside our guts vibrant and healthy. The second reason why many of us suffer from a lack of healthy bacteria is widespread use of antibiotics. There's no doubt antibiotics have saved millions of lives. But taking too many can be catastrophic to the health of the microbiome. Because every time you take an antibiotic, it's like setting off a nuclear bomb in your gut. Antibiotics can't tell the difference between good and bad bacteria, but instead wipe out all microscopic life. It then takes a long time for your microbiome to recover. Some scientists think many healthy bacteria never do recover fully. This should be worrying, as 4 in 5 adults take antibiotics every year. So they are routinely wiping out their microbiome and damaging their long-term health as a result. Because in your gut are both good and bad bacteria. And if you wipe out too many of the good guys, then the bad bacteria can take control. When this happens, you face the risk all sorts of gut health problems. You may struggle to absorb nutrients from food properly. You may suffer from foggy thinking, chin breakouts, low energy and lack of motivation, weight management problems, headaches, and indigestion symptoms like gas, cramps, or diarrhea. All of these are warning signs of a gut microbiome that's infested with bad bacteria and not enough of the good guys. So you see, the key to healthy digestion, stronger immunity, and all-round better health is getting rid of bad bacteria and ensuring it's the good guys who stay in control. How can this be done? Simple. By eating a wider variety of nutrient-dense foods. And in particular, eating foods packed with probiotics and digestive enzymes. Because these all help force out the bad guys while helping the good bacteria thrive. I'll be discussing all 3 nutrients in more detail in the next 2 videos, starting with probiotics in tomorrow's video, and why they are vital to gut health, but why a shocking Israeli study found taking probiotic supplements may be a waste of money. So that now brings us to the end of today's video. If you have any questions, post them in the chat, and I'll answer them as best I can. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the rest of your day. Cheers!